Here is a 3-step formula to creating passive income, even if you're broke. Think passive income is only for the wealthy? Think again. Let's break it down, Dynasty style. Step 1, know your real tax liability. Tax season surprises are fun, said no one ever. If you're only looking at what you paid, you're missing really the bigger picture. Your true tax liability includes what you owe, not just what you paid. Let's uncover the hidden numbers. Wouldn't it be empowering to know exactly where your money is going so you can redirect it to where it should be? Step 2, create a strategic tax plan. Now that we've identified the leaks, it's time to patch them up. Implementing strategies like maximizing deductions, leveraging tax credits, and utilizing tax advantage accounts can significantly reduce your tax liability. What if you could legally keep more of your earnings and use them to build the life you've always wanted? Step 3, invest in income-producing assets. With the savings from your optimized tax plan, it's now time to make your money work for you. Consider investing in assets that generate passive income, like dividend-paying stocks, rental properties, or even oil and gas ventures. How would it feel to wake up knowing your investments are earning for you even while you sleep? Passive income isn't a dream, it's a strategy. Ready to take control? Smash that subscribe button and join us every week on tips to support your dynasty building journey.